Good morning to all the dignitaries. I am Cadet Sakshi Anand from Bihar and Jharkhand Directorate. And today I am going to give my presentation on the topic single use of plastic bag. So we produce millions of tons of single use plastic every year, most of which cannot be recycled. Single use plastic includes plastic bags, polythene, straws, plastic glass, soda and water bottles, and food packaging items, etc. These single-use plastics are used only once and then thrown away as a garbage for recycle. Plastic bags or plastics are non-biodegradable and usually goes into a landfill where it is buried or it gets into the water, and after some, by various means, it goes into the ocean. They enter into soil and water bodies and break down into smaller particles. However, they do not decompose. They remain in the soil and water for more than 100 years and release toxic chemicals and thus damage our beautiful planet and environment. The plastic bags that enter the water bodies are a major cause of the water pollution and thus deteriorating our environment in every possible way. Single use of plastic is very harmful for human beings, animals, and marine creatures. In the water bodies or in the marine aquatic animals consumes plastic particles along with their food. Plastic cannot be digested and thus gets trapped in their intestine and result in serious health problems. The production of plastic bags, that is single-use plastic, releases toxic chemicals that can cause serious illness among those involved in the production of it. Plastic is one of the major causes of environmental pollution. Polluted environment is a major cause of various diseases in human beings. We need to understand the problem being caused by the single-use plastic and stop their use. It is therefore obvious that we need to use less plastic unless it is very necessary. Move towards environment-friendly products and services and should come up with technologies that recycles plastics more efficiently. We should stop using single-use plastic to protect our planet, environment, and human beings. Indian government has laid out a multi-ministerial plan to discourage the use of single-use plastic across the country to free India of single-use plastics by 2022. The nationwide ban on plastic bags, cups, plates, water bottles, straws, etc. has already begun from 2nd October 2019 to eliminate single-use plastics from cities and villages that rank amongst the world's most polluted. In view of all these things, it is our responsibility towards our nature to curb this problem. Research shows the effects plastic has on the earth as well as on humans. It can take up to thousands of years for plastic bags and styrofoam containers to decompose. In the meantime, it contaminates our soil and water. The toxic chemicals used to manufacture plastic gets transferred to animal tissues, eventually entering the human food chain. Styrofoam products are toxic if ingested and can damage nervous system, lungs, reproductive organs. For many animal species, plastic waste is simply a nightmare. So much things has been seen by us. Sea turtle with a plastic straw in the mouth. It has been struck in their nostril, went viral globally. It may have even led to plastic straw man. Plastic items like bags and straws choke wildlife and block animals' stomachs. Turtles and dolphins, for examples, often mistake plastic bags for their food. The data for this disastrous single-use plastic problem paints a shocking picture. According to Global Citizen, plastic production has more than tripled since the 90s. It also shows half the world's plastic was made after 2003. About 150 million tons of plastic, many of it is non-biodegradable, is floating in our oceans. You may be aware of the gigantic garbage patch floating between California and Hawaii. It contains an estimated 1.8 trillion pieces of plastic. What can we do about it? The world's global plastic disaster sounds downright scary, but we can still change our fate. We can use clothes or reusable shopping bags instead of plastic bags. Bring your own coffee mugs and avoid establishments that don't offer non-plastic options. Avoid non-recyclable plastic bottles and plastic straws. Support efforts to reduce our dependence on single-use plastic. Buy items in bulk to reduce plastic packaging. Bring your own takeout containers or support establishments that use recyclable products. Be informed. Get to know what is and what isn't recyclable in your town, city, area. We can all do our part to prevent further damage to our environment and waterways from plastics. Zero plastic or zero plastic waste movements are springing up around the world to tackle the issue. If we each do our part now, we can help stop the world's preventing plastic problem from getting worse. Thank you so much for listening.